Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of PyCharm in a Windows operating system, and after that I am also going to show you how to use their community features for completely free. So first you need to go to their official site of PyCharm. Just type PyCharm download. Just go to the official site of JetBrains. Here just simply click on this download button for PyCharm. And you can see that it is available for Windows, macOS and Linux. So depending upon what operating system you are using, you need to proceed with that. For Windows, I am going to switch to Windows tab and going to click on this download button. And that's going to show you thank you for downloading PyCharm, and here is our PyCharm rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see that PyCharm is already been downloaded over here. So to install, just double click on that installer. Can minimize your download directory. It's rightly started opening. You to ask if I administered privileges, click on yes, and there you go. Welcome to PyCharm setup. Click on next. So this is where our PyCharm is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next again. Here I recommend you to select each and every single options that are there, so that we can use their full features properly. And this is the most important one. You need to check this add bin folder to path. That's a very important step. Don't forget to do this, and after that click on next. Click on install, and our installation for PyCharm is rightly began. So welcome back. Now you can clearly see that our PyCharm is now rightly installed. Just simply click on finish. So here is our desktop shortcut for PyCharm. You can see rightly created over here. Just simply double click on that shortcut to launch our PyCharm. That's going to launch our PyCharm. And it's going to also ask to allow access to public and private networks. So just click on allow. That's going to show you this screen. Here we are going to start PyCharm as a fresh. So that's why I'm going to click on skip import. So here is our PyCharm. You can maximize this. So it's going to take some time to load all of its features. So just wait for some time. So welcome back. And now you can clearly see that our PyCharm is rightly opened. So welcome to PyCharm. In the left panel you can see already these projects and files over here. So if you are connected to Git, you can always click on these clone repositories and you can clone any repository from your GitHub. For now, let's create a new Python project. So click on new and click on new project. That's going to open this new project window over here. So here you need to provide your project name. So currently it has given as Python project. Let's change it to Hello Python. You can give any project name you want. You can keep it default. Create a welcome script, and we are going to proceed with UV. So regarding UV, I have already made a very detailed dedicated video as well. So all these videos that you can see on the school Python projects are all that you can see. Here I have used UV only. So you can watch these videos. Peep first UV. They're going to help you to learn more about UV. So we are going to proceed with UV over here, and we are going to click on create. So that's going to start creating our project. Here let's click on let's go. So you can see our main.py file is already been opened over here, and here is our Hello Python project that we just now created. So this is the file that is already been opened over here. So again, it's going to take some time. It's going to install some plugin and going to set up this project. So it's going to take some time. Let's come back again after some time. And there you go. So you can see that our project is rightly opened over here. So now as you click on this run button, it's going to start building our project and going to show you the output on your console. Hi PyCharm. So whatever it is there, so that is what it's going to show up over here. But see, we are using their 30-day free trial of their pro features. So that's why it is showing trial up over here. So you can use their pro features for 30 days for completely free. But if you want to use their community features only, so that is what I am going to show you. The community features is completely free. So for that, you need to click on this magnify icon and you need to type over here manage. As you type manage, it's going to show you this manage subscriptions over here. So click on that. So it's going to show you this manage subscription window. Here you can see I have just now installed on 10th of April. So it's going to be valid till 9th of May. So about 30 days, we're going to use it for completely free. In middle, if you want to cancel their trial period, you can easily do that. You just need to go to this manage subscription and to click on this deactivate subscription. So deactivate and restart. So that's going to restart entire PyCharm. So this is our PyCharm community features opening for you. And there it is. So you can see it is rightly open, the community features. So you can see now we no longer having that trial button. Now it is start free trial because we are not into their subscription. So you can always read there what's new in Python article over here. And for our project Hello Python, so again this is our code snippet, and as you click on this run button, it's going to start building and going to show you the output over here. And now you can use their community features for completely free, nothing to worry about, right? So that's how you install PyCharm. Don't forget to check our cool Python project playlist. So all these different projects you can see how to make Python talk or face detection app, or how to convert a text into a proper handwritten one. So this is one of my favorite one. Then how to build a QR code, or how to convert JPEGs into PDF, or all these different projects you can see. This building a resume builder, even a rock paper scissor game. So you can check all these different videos on our channel for completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.